Your website might be making you look less experienced than you actually are, and most people don't realize it. Here are the 5 things that instantly make a website look amateur, and how to fix them. The first is inconsistency. Different fonts, different spacing, different styles on every page. It might seem small, but visually it creates a lack of control, and when a website feels uncontrolled, it feels unprofessional. The fix is repetition. Same fonts, same spacing, same structure throughout. Consistency creates credibility. The second is overcrowding. Too much text, too many sections, too many ideas competing at once. When everything is trying to be seen, nothing stands out. An amateur website adds more. A professional one removes. The third is poor alignment. Elements slightly off. Text blocks not lining up. Images placed inconsistently. These details are subtle, but the brain notices them instantly. And when something feels slightly off, trust drops. Alignment creates calm, and calm feels premium. The fourth is weak hierarchy. If everything on your page looks the same, there's no direction. Visitors don't know where to look, and when they don't know where to look, they leave. A strong website guides attention. Clear headings, clear sections, clear flow. The fifth, and most important, is lack of structure. Most websites are built like a collection of sections, but a high-performing website is built like a sequence, each part leading into the next, each section moving the visitor closer to a decision. This is where most people struggle, because structure is hard to create from scratch, which is exactly why starting from a well-designed template changes everything. A strong template already includes the hierarchy, spacing, and flow that make a website feel professional. You're not guessing, you're refining. That's exactly how our luxury show it website templates are designed. They're built to eliminate these issues from the start, so your website immediately feels more polished, more structured, and more aligned with a premium brand. And if you don't want to do it yourself, we also offer white glove website customization. We take one of our templates and build your entire site for you, so you get a fully elevated website without the trial and error. If your website feels amateur, it's not your business, it's your structure. And once that changes, everything changes. You can explore our full collection of luxury show it website templates below.